Okay, we're just going to show you around this 2013 Volkswagen Caravelle. It's a special edition, the Edition 25 model, only 225 of which were ever made. It's in really good order with nice low mileage, so I'll walk you around it and tell you about the spec of it. So this one's based upon the Executive but with some extra kit on it. As you can see, it's got the Xenon headlights, Sportline style front grille and contrasting satin black lower panel with the fog lights in. It's got the front and rear park sensors. As you can see, the front end in really good condition here. Only the odd tiny little chip. Looking down the passenger side, you can see really straight and dent free down there. Paintwork actually is remarkably good for the age of this vehicle. It's got the satin black Edition 25 wheels, good tyres all round. Moving inside the vehicle, it's two-tone factory leather. Now the Caravelle has the 7-seat layout, so I'll show you in the back in just a minute there. It's got the upgraded RNS510 satellite navigation system. It's also got Bluetooth. Front and rear climate control, heated front seats. It is the 7-speed DSG Auto. And that's the 180 horsepower BiTDi engine in this one as well. Other factory standard bits, you've got the electric sliding doors on the side, a multifunction steering wheel and also cruise control. Now this one also had side scan fitted, which is like a blind spot monitor. Just flashes in your wing mirror if anything's coming up in your blind spot trying to overtake you. All good order in here, just the odd little marker. I don't know if you can quite see it on the dash there. A couple of little marks on the door card there. It's not a part that we can easily replace, but it's say for 5.5 years old, it's only a couple of small little bits. Electric sliding doors work off the button on the key or just pulling the handle. In the rear here you have the two swivelling single captain seats, and then the rear bench, which also folds into a bed. See, they just had a car seat in it, but again, condition, quality of the leather, very good for the age of the vehicle. Floor carpets in excellent order. Again, bearing in mind that these are family vehicles that do get a lot of use, it really is in super order. Wheels all in good condition too. Tiny little marks to touch up there. So I'll point out stuff as I notice it going around, but we'll touch that up. It's got a carbon fibre effect rear bumper protector, just save getting any nasty bits in the bumper. Again, a couple of tiny little touch-ins there that have been done. This one does have a reverse camera as well. Moving inside the rear, you can see all in good order. Just from use, a couple of tiny little nicks on the back seat there. So moving down the driver's side, again really nice and dent free down there. We'll just move along the panels. See, it's got the stainless sidebars too. Factory privacy glass with opening side windows and the roof rails with crossbars. Looks great from a side profile. Factory fitted mud flaps there. Really doesn't look its age. A couple of tiny bits here which we're going to touch in, just underneath that. Got the Edition 25 floor light bits there. Yeah, this store card's all good, free of any marks. Mileage today 46,712. This vehicle does have a full service history, and we've just had it serviced and also the DSG oil changed in the gearbox, so it really is truly ready to go. That's it. So a huge spec limited edition Caravelle with very low mileage in excellent condition. Finance options and part exchanges available. If you'd like any more details, then please just give me a call on the number on the advert. Thank you for looking.